Today, while greasing, Blister's girlfriend Gwen's.
My crop is just starting to come in.
Well, happy sloppy Saturday, boys and girls. It's another day in the shop. Today, while greasing, I found a pinion seal on the back of the front rear, seeping. Tabernac. That looks pretty good. As I suspected, sandblasting grit. Oy vey. Luckily, we got Blister on the scene. How you making out, Blister?
Not too bad.
You need any help?
No.
Good. Luckily, I carry every pinion seal in stock. Actually, I have every seal on this fracking truck in stock. Well, boys, wasn't really planning on doing this job today. We were out here till 4 o'clock this morning drinking. And that sumbitch was empty last night. Somebody's got a problem. From what I remember, a good time was had by all. But it's a good thing I found it greasing. We're doing it at home for free.
I'm doing it now.
Free labor. Oh, hey, I spotted it. I got a lot to do with it. A good thing Blister's girlfriend Gwen showed up to monitor the situation. That's why you always get under your truck every weekend and grease it, boys, because you never know. You never know. It's like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get. What do you think, Jojo? Shaggy, do you even give a shit? We have to charge douche flutes now? What's this world coming to, Scoobs? Josie, you like Cooper? Jo.
She's fine. Good girl, Lou. Does she play with Joe too?
Yeah.
Boy, it's a beautiful day here, 74 degrees. Starting to cloud up a little bit. Supposed to get some horrendous winds and cold front coming through tonight. Tomorrow morning they're saying snow showers, for frack's sakes. That old Blister cutting up some straps. Those are some snazzy glasses. That there spanner socket was the perfect pinion seal driver tool, boys. Yeah, we're moving in stereo today. Blister, I'm glad we plowed through and changed that pinion seal today.
I changed the pinion seal, feller.
Whatever. You know, I see my buddy Tony Reed bragging this morning about all his soybeans popping up out of the ground all of a sudden. Generally, I'm not one to brag, but... Ha!
My crop is just starting to come in too, Tony.
Stevie Ray ruined the day. Looks like it's gonna be another late night. That's all I got for Sloppy Saturday.